Is thinking about what to make for your next potluck recipe keeping you up at night? Don't worry, Ding Ding Kitchen to the rescue. Today, I'm going to be sharing a delicious satay chicken recipe. Once you learn how to make this, I guarantee you're going to have a good night's rest. Let's get started. Start by slicing up the chicken into smaller pieces. I prefer to use chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast if you want. This size right here is perfect for skewers. For the marinade, add satay powder, curry powder, a little turmeric, oyster sauce, fish sauce, salt, sugar, cornstarch, and oil. Mix well. Now we can add the chicken. Continue to mix until every piece is coated. Refrigerate overnight. The next day, we can skewer the chicken. Only 3 to 4 pieces, then press it firmly together with your hand. Now we can start cooking. In a pan on medium-high heat, add oil and pan fry the skewers. To cook evenly, I like to press down using a spatula. Be patient when cooking this, only flip once there's enough color. Once both sides have enough color and it's fully cooked, we can plate. Serve this with your favorite peanut sauce and a side of cucumbers. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to watch last week's video, or click here to watch a video that I handpicked just for you.